Welcome to XBuild, the easiest way for contractors to generate fast, detailed insurance estimates. Whether you're in the office or out in the field, XBuild lets you submit a job and get back a complete insurance estimate with labeled photos, weather data, and local building codes. In this quick video, we'll walk through how to use the platform step by step so you can save time, speed up claims, and focus on what you do best. Let's get started. Once you've created your XBuild account, you're ready to start your first job. The first thing we'll need is a loss summary. This could be the original scope from the insurance carrier, their latest approval, or another form of documentation. If you're starting from scratch and don't have one, just select No. For this example, we're going to upload an existing loss summary. Once it's uploaded, click Next. The AI will automatically begin pulling scope parameters from the document. It will pre-fill key information. Your job is to verify everything for accuracy before moving forward. Next, you'll see the job information section. Here, you'll double check the project details. Make sure to select a sales representative. This tells us who to email the report to and who we're addressing in communication. Click Confirm to continue, and then review the claim information carefully. Now it's time to upload your measurement report. We accept Eagle View, GAF, Roof R, Hover, and similar. Just make sure it's the premier version with full data. If you don't have a measurement report, that's not a problem. We can order one for you. Just select No, and we'll take it from there. Reports usually cost between $25 and $80, which will be billed to you once completed. Keep in mind, the report will be written based on the measurement data you provide, not the measurements listed in the loss summary, so be sure the report is accurate. By default, we apply a 10% waste factor unless otherwise specified. You can adjust that in the comments section. Photos are a critical part of the estimate. They help fill in details that aren't always clear from the documents. You have a few options for uploading: Company Cam link, Google Drive link, or direct file upload. For this tutorial, we'll move forward without uploading photos, but we highly recommend including them when submitting a real job. Next is the scope details section. This is where you become the editor. You'll go through each trade or line item and choose whether to copy it, leave it as is, or supplement, make changes, or add missing items. For example, if the insurance carrier approved a partial roof replacement, but you're doing a full replacement, click Supplement and explain the change. Also, be sure to update materials. If you're switching from 3-tab shingles to architectural, make that clear. You'll see some required scope parameters at the top. For your first several reports, we recommend going through all of them, even the optional ones, just to be thorough. As you get more comfortable and start working with your account manager, we can create custom presets that speed things up. If you need to add an additional note, like framing or interior work, you can select it here. If something isn't listed, just include it in the additional comments section. You can also select additional structures if your report includes items like detached garages, sheds, or other outbuildings. Now it's time to review your cart. Check that all trades and structures are included, your measurement report is uploaded or marked for order, and everything looks good. From there, you'll let us know whether you want report only or whether you would like for us to send it to the insurance company. For report only, select report only. If you would like for us to handle the supplementing process, click Supplement. In that case, once you approve the report, we'll send it directly to the insurance carrier on your behalf. If you have any bid items or special instructions, as stated earlier, list those in the additional notes section at the bottom. When everything looks good, click Submit to place your order. You also have the option to save and exit and return later, or cancel if needed. And that's it. Once submitted, our team will take care of the rest and you'll be notified as your report is completed. Thanks for using XBuild, and remember, if you ever need help, reach out to your account manager or our support team.